Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombiebargainhunter, and today, this is day 10 or week 2, day 3. This is what we pulled yesterday, so hopefully we can do better today. And if you didn't see what it was, go back and watch yesterday's video. So we will be doing 2 more boxes today. Hopefully find at least another gold card or a winner card. We haven't found any winner card yet this week, but we did get a numbered card, so that is just as good. And we got a 3D Incredibles card, so that was sweet by itself. If you need any cards, I have... Whoa! They are on my website, plushgamesandmore.com. You can go down there and buy all the cards you want. I have singles, I have 2-packs, I have 5-packs, I have boxes. If you buy the box, you get the encased card, which is this guy right here. You get a guaranteed encased, and you might get a numbered encased, which is crazy. Let's see, come on, winner. No double winner. Well, we can still get a gold card, and we can still get a numbered item in the encased. So, watch it on TikTok. Make sure you come over to YouTube and comment down below so you can join in on the giveaways that I do every single week. This last week I gave away some nice items. Gave away artboard, gave away $25 Starbucks. Oh, we have a movie quote, and we have a Helen Parr. What does a movie quote say? Valuing life is not weakness, and disregarding it is not strength. Now, we got that card yesterday, but I'd like to read them to you. They're cool little cards. Jack, and Miguel. I was saying, I got a lot more watchers on TikTok, but come on over. Once I have 5,000 subscribers over here, I will be doing a nice giveaway. Perhaps a $50 Starbucks card. Maybe something else. So, join me. We have Joe Gardner and Wally and Eve. I do have a bunch of Eve plush, so I'll be including that every single week. I got a bunch of those from the Disney store, so they're still new with tags, so I will be giving those away every single week, along with 2 packs of cards to every winner, along with some bonuses. Hopefully I find some more, because I am running out of bonuses. Well, not yet. Ooh, we have the Buzz Lightyear Zurg card. And a Woody. Let me know down below what is your favorite character. That'll be a comment. Help you out if you can't think of anything to say. Bing Bong and Russell, and when I do the giveaway, maybe I can do a little bit more focused on what you like. Oh, he's gonna get him. Much. Ooh, almost got him. He keeps missing though. Got Joy and Madness. Joy and Madness. Joy and Sadness. Maybe it is madness that I'm doing this, right? Come on. We have a Wally and a Maylin and friends from Turning Red. Come on, gold card. Get something good. We have another movie quote. Thanks for the adventure. Now go have a new one. Love, Ellie. And we have another Rex. And I'll be giving you a few extra cards said, I can't give you 1,000,000 cards like I would like, because there's only 2 cards to a pack. I would go broke if I gave you 1,000,000 cards. We have Joe and we have Carl. This looks like a Carl. The last 2 boxes look like Carl heavy. Come on, don't stick. I don't want to bend my card. We have a Forky and a May. Yeah, these cards are hard to hurt though, so normally I wouldn't be as rough with them, but I mean, these cards are super thick. You can do almost that. See, even trying to bend them, you really can't without super force. And who would put super force on a beautiful card like this? So, I mean, I've seen a lot of people cut these just to make sure, but there's nothing wrong. There's nothing going to happen with these cards. Ooh, got another Buzz Zerg one. I said this last week that I didn't have any of these, and all of a sudden I'm just getting a ton of them. Come on, gold card. We have a May and a Jack. We have about 5 more packs, then we'll get to the encased. So hopefully everybody's enjoying watching me open these. Oh, we have another lenticular. He still didn't get them yet, though. But I don't know if I'll do trading cards anymore after this, but I'll know I'll buy and sell them, but I don't know if I'll be opening up. But I still have, what, almost a full 8 cases left to open, so that's a little bit ways off. Maybe something else will come out and I will be doing more cards. We'll see. I don't know if there's going to be anything really as cool as this. I mean, I love the film cells, and I love the 3D cards that come in this box. Most trading cards are just cheap garbage, to be honest. You can see the thickness on these and just the quality. I mean, even people that love Pokemon, you see how cheap those cards are? This is an example here somewhere. Yeah, look at this. That's just a cheap old Pokemon card. That's just, I mean, compared to this, come on, that's just trash. We got an Alfredo and we got a Hank. All right, we went through those. Well, I went through those pretty fast. So we have plenty of time to relax and check out what we got. Oh, we have a Mr. Whiskers and Joel. Let's open them up. So we have some time. I only say that because on TikTok it limits you to 10 minutes. I've said it in the past, but they limit you to 10 minutes. And most of my watchers aren't from TikTok, so hey TikTokers, come on over to YouTube and get some prizes. And what do we got? Looks like Jack. Yeah, hey Jack. That's one angry Jack. How would you like that kid in your house? Superpowers and pissed off? What are you gonna do about it? There you go. So we have 2 nice film cells that we got. Hopefully tomorrow I pull something really nice. I haven't pulled any embroidered for you yet. Oops, I'm putting it backwards. That's why it's not fitting. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, so you join the giveaways every week. Take care. Bye.